In many English sentences, you've been seeing this word both. And both in Luganda can mean bombi, byombi, or zombi. Where do we use bombi? Where do we use bombi? Okay, in this video we're going to understand how do we use this English word, both, of course, in English and Luganda. Okay, let's get started. In English, the word both means two. Once again, both in English means two or number two. So both means two people or two things together. So once you have two things, when they are together, you use this word both. Once again, both is used to mean two people or two things. And both is used when talking about two, not here, two, not one, not many, but two. Are we together? Once again, this English word means two things or two people. And we only use it on only and only two things together. A point to note, both in Luganda can be bombi. And bombi, we use it on two people or for people or for individuals. So for individuals, two individuals or two people, we use bombi. Can you repeat that? Bombi. Both. Bombi in Luganda. Good. And for things or items, we use byombi or zombi. Once again, byombi. Can you repeat that? Byombi. Zombi. Not zombie, but zombi. Because M and B-I is in B. Zombi. Are we together? It's somewhat prolonging in sound. Zombi. Good. For byombi or zombi, we use it for items. Zino zombi oba byombi tuzikozesa ku bintu. So tukozesa byombi oba zombi nga twogera ku bintu si bantu. Ate ku bantu tugamba bombi nga we mbagambye. So mu Luganda akagambo kano ka both kayinza okutegeeza bombi oba zombi mu Luganda. Ate tukakozesa ku bantu babiri oba ku bintu bibiri byokka. Mu Luzungu n'Oluganda bwetyo tukozesa bombi oba both. Okay, let's understand how do we use this. Tuyinza kozesa atya akagambo kano mu Luzungu. For usage oba enkozesa, tutandike n'abantu. For people, how do we use both? We start with both plus a noun in English. Noun twagamba ly'erinnya oba amannya goboyogerako mu sentence. So oba okozesa kano akagambo both, oyinza otandika nako. At first we're going to see starting with both. So for people obanga oyogera ku bantu ng'oyagala kukozesa ku bantu babiri, obanga oyagala kutegeeza bantu babiri mu sentence, so you can use both plus n'erinnya oba noun. In English, we say you use both followed by the noun. And the noun is the name we give to anything. We are going to see in examples. Okay, so example one, for people, or when we're talking about people and using the word both, we can say, can you read for me? Good. It reads, both children are playing. So a point to note, you start with both, otandikana kagambo both, followed by noun, ly'erinnya ly'oboyogerako mu sentence, oba abantu bayagala okwogerako mu sentence. So otandika both, followed by erinnya, omala erinnya, n'oyokogamba. Since you're talking about two, we use this word are. Ndowooza twalaba how to use are and is. If you didn't watch that video, you can view this video above. Good. So both children, this is the noun. Start with both, followed by the noun, as you see. And since you're talking about two people, and the verb. So the verb is playing. We said when you use is or are, the verb you add on ing since it is present continuous tense. We looked at tenses. Both children are playing. If they were reading, you would say both children are reading. Are we together? So tandikana kagambo ka both kitegeeza abantu babiri boyogerako. Both now abantu boyogerako. For example, children. Both children are playing. So playing is the verb. In Luganda, kiba bombi, both bombi abaana. The name is erinnya baana boyogerako. So bombi abaana bakola ki? Bazanya. Are playing. Bombi abaana bazanya. See, we followed this order. You start with both, followed by the noun and the verb. So both children are playing. It's bombi abaana bakola ki? Bazanya. Good. Example 2. Both girls are tall. Both girls are tall. Are we together? So this in Luganda is bombi bani. The name is abawala, the noun. So bombi abawala bawanvu are tall. So both girls is the noun or is the name. Both at the start, followed by the noun and the verb. Both girls are tall. Bombi abawala bachi bawanvu. The next example we have both. The noun is teachers. So twaga koga kubasomesa. Both teachers are kind. Kitegeza basomesa bali babiri. Both teachers are kind. Are we together? So here we've used adjective kind. Bombi abasomesa bakisa. Are we together? Bombi abasomesa bakisa. So that is how you use both on people. Tulifenda njokoyesaamu bombi ku bantu mu Luzungu n'Oluganda. Ndowooza okategere tojja kuddamu kukeerabira. Okay, now let's talk about items. How can we talk about items or things? Tuyinza kwogera kutya ku bintu nga tukozesa kano akagamba ka both mu Luzungu n'Oluganda. Remember tugambye oba oyogera ku bantu ebiseera ebisinga tukozesa akagambo byombi oba zombi mu Luganda. The other names that can be used by these are the common ones. Zembawadde. So byombi oba zombi for items to mean both. Are we together? Okay, let's see some examples. So we follow the same format. You start with both, followed by the name of that thing you are talking about. Otandika ne both nozake ebintu byogerako mu sentence yo mu Luzungu. Are we together? Okay. So example number 1 we have both books are new. Since we're talking about pronouns, we're going to use are. Are we together? So both books are new. New kitegeza ekintu ekipya. Okay? So both yotandise nayo kikyagala okwogerako bitabo. They are togamba book, but you say books since both etegeza bantu babiri baba banji. So both books are new. Are we together? So both books are new in Luganda. Kigenda kuba byombi ebitabo biki bipya. Byombi ebitabo bipya. Good. The next example we have both tables are broken. Both tables, so tables is a noun, are broken. So both tables are broken. It's going to be zombie. So here we use zombie tables. On tables we use zombie. Zombie emeza zimenyese. Both tables are broken. It's going to be zombie emeza zimenyese. Good. The next example. Both plates are red. Both plates are red. Both plates are red in Luganda. Zombi esowani myufu. Red is myufu. Zombi esowani myufu. Okay. The next example. Both plants have grown. Once again, both plants have grown. Byombi ebimera. So plants in Luganda tugamba ebimera. Those plants ebimera ebyo. So both plants have grown. It's going to be byombi ebimera bimeze. To grow is bimeze. For plants we say bimeze. For people we say bakuze. Are we together? So both plants have grown. It's going to be byombi ebimera bimeze. Hope we are together. So that is how we use this English word both. Yengeje tukozesaamu akagambo kano both oba bombi oba byombi mu Luzungu n'Oluganda. Don't forget, in the next video we shall look at how to use both in the middle of English sentences. Tujja kulaba engeri tukozesaamu akagambo kano bombi mu makati g'emboozi mu Luzungu n'Oluganda. Okay, don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe, like and share such that many people can learn English and Luganda. Bye bye. Wait about.